To remove the optical drive, first remove the side cover. Detach the power and data cables from the rear of the optical drive. Press on the black drive release latch at the rear of the drive and slide the drive out the front of the unit. If you are installing a new optical drive, pull the black drive release latch off of the optical drive and reserve. There are 3 small pins on the black drive release latch that fit into 3 small holes on the side of the optical drive. To install a new optical drive, press the pins into their holes to secure the latch to the optical drive. To replace the drive in the unit, align the latch side of the drive toward the top of the PC. Slide the drive into its drive bay through the front of the PC until the black release latch snaps into place. Replace the power and data cables to the rear of the optical drive.